Kia ora mai koutou katoa, tēnā koutou katoa. E waiwari ana tātou, i tai mai ki tēnei kaupapa tino whakahirahira ki te whakanui i ngā kauheke o Ngāti Kahungunu whānui. Nā reira, katahuri atu ki tō tātou nei tia mana, no te taipini o here taunga. Nā reira, e hoa, e te matua, tēnā mihi mai ki te hunga mātakitaki.
Tēnā rā koutou, ka me kia koutou i tēnei wā, mai hara mai ki tēnei rā tino hira ki te iwi o Ngāti Kahungunu, kia tātou kuia, tātou kaumātua, tihei Kahungunu.
Tēnā koe. Nā reira, e te tia mana, just for our whānau and friends out there, ko wai koe, no hea koe?
So Mike Paku Ahau, I'm the current chair of the Tai Whenua Here Tau, and my marae is Ruhapia, my hapu is Ngāti Hāwe.
Tēnā koe, te matua. Must be in the DNA, just saying. Anyway, to the kaupapa, e te whānau, e te hoa matua, we understand that we've got this beautiful ball going on here. Our room is full of fabulous kauheke. What was the initiative? What was the whakaaro behind that?
Tēnā koe. So initially it came from our COVID, and as we know, at that time we were worried about our kaumātua in regards to their health and safety. And so we isolated our kaumātua away from their whānau, away from their mokopuna, away from their hapu, away from their iwi. And that went on for about 18 months. And so a lot of our kaumātua we saw were becoming apprehensive about re-engaging with their whānau, with their hapu and with their marae. And of course since then we've now had the Huapare Gabriel, and the consequences of that, and we just felt it was really, really important that we didn't let our kaumātua go back into their shell. So it was about bringing them out, and so very pleased to say that we have whānau here from our Waiahik, Paul Mahu, Tongoio, who have been through that devastation, but they're here today.
Kia ora.
They're here today, celebrating.
That's
just
right.
Being kahungunu.
Kia ora, tēnā koe te matua, and thank you for putting on this fantastic kaupapa. Love the whakaaro behind it as well. So to all of our whānau who are watching this, because this is streaming over, of course, the East Coast, so we will have whānau from Te Hiku, Taunu atu ki te Waipounamu e mātaki ana. Do you have any closing comments for our kauheke whānui out there?
Just that our thoughts are with all those who have suffered due to the climate change that we've seen over this last little while. Even though we're in the middle of our own challenges, our thoughts are still with you. Ka mi kia koutou, tēnā rā koutou, tēnā koutou, kia ora tātou.